Rude Puma collab. Yeah, I love the color on these. Yeah, we got the Eddie Bauer vintage snow pants. I mean, it's wintertime, it's cold outside. Top we have a shirt from Zara. We got the Zara jacket right here, cozy vibe. So yeah, we headed to a thrift store right now. Hopefully I can find some 35mm film cameras or some vintage t-shirts or jackets.
Hey dude, you know where I can get some green?
Harriet and Kumar going to White Castle, playing in the back. Yes sir, we got the kombucha on deck too. You know.
Look at it, Tonka.
Hopefully I can bring my camera in. If not, I'm gonna have to bring my...
I never been to a thrift shop.
She was mad at me earlier because I was like, yo, I'm not going to a thrift store no more.
Cause you said you was going, so a bitch got dolled up.
So before we head inside the thrift store...
Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Your Zerski, you feel me? Hit that smash button on the like, you know, hit that subscriber button on the like, you feel me? We gonna get started. We about to hit the unique, I forget what this called. Unique store. We about to figure out what's there. We about to see what we can find. Hopefully some vintage, hopefully some, I don't know. But yeah, welcome back to my channel, you feel me? Your Zerski.
Yeah, we out here. We about to go to Unique, but before we go to Unique, obviously we gotta go space. You dig? So we trying to get it right before we get in there. So yeah, I got my boy Mickey right here.
Your girl Bri.
Okay.
My girl Bri back there. So I will see you guys inside. So we're in a Unique thrift store right now. I'm trying to get a film camera. I can't find shit.
I wish you can see my face under this mask, but you know, I appreciate you can't see my face.
I feel like I'm in a big ass pawn shop.
Okay.
But that's not really, like I said, thrifting is not my thing.
I like the fur.
So you don't fuck with this?
And this is warm.
Nah, bro.
It's cool, bro.
Look, it has fur inside. I like this.
Yeah, that's fire.
I like this one, and I like this one.
Yeah, I do need a trench coat.
Yeah, that
You
one.
see?
With the London fog right there. Cozy.
Yeah. Sometimes in thrift shop you find that one, like you're like,
Yeah, you find that one
together,
piece.
you find something. You just really gotta look through the shit, like you
Facts.
really gotta like.
Thrift.
So I'll be in here looking.
The thing is, Bri knows me. I don't really like shopping. Online shopping is lit for me. I don't like shopping, bro. Like, I'd rather order everything.
No, I think I'd rather come to the store and
The only
Yeah, me
time I have
too.
to come to the store is if I have to get pants.
It
'cause I
depends
can't
what
get
kind of
pants
store it is
like
though. Like if I'm going thrift shopping, I would want to go in person.
Yeah.
If it's like a store that I'm always shopping at, then maybe I can order online.
Nigga,
But I like to
order
go in
me
store and
up.
look.
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling this a little bit.
Like,
This might be a vibe.
I can wear this, right? I can get this shit tailored.
But yeah, I might cop one of these Dickies if I can get my size. This is kind of dope too. The fake Burberry. So yeah, we got a few things. What did you get?
The green high-waisted pants, and then this jacket.
Oh, the military one?
Yeah.
For me, I got the base jacket and the black trench coat inside, which I'm gonna showcase later on when I get to the crib. So
Hey, when do kids start riding bikes?
I have no clue. I think at the age of 3 they'll be
Yeah.
Because mama wants to ride bikes.
We just got done with the thrift store. I think I got a couple nice pieces, so I'm gonna showcase that when I get to the crib. I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. Alright then, peace.
So my young niggas put in work, keep your head up even when it hurt, Remember I was dirty, I'ma take the money with me to the dirt. I'm still towing those sticks.
So we back from the thrifty, you know. We got a few pieces that we picked up. And I also have a few extra pieces that I didn't show in the video. Yeah, let's get to it. The first pickup was this Banana Republic jacket. It was $25. I believe this is genuine leather. I'm not sure if this is real. It feels pretty solid. Okay, so the fit is different. It fit exactly how I thought it would. Pretty stiff. It's actually pretty tight. Well, not as tight, but it's like I can't get a full motion going on here. It wasn't as stiff. I wish it was a little more comfortable. It's all good though. I can see myself rocking this with, you know, Chelsea boot, maybe a white shirt underneath, tuck it in, some black chinos or something, some Chelsea boot on the bottom. Would be pretty dope, you know, date night kind of vibe. You feel me? I bought it at joint custody in DC. I was feeling the vintage vibe on it. It's real simple. Well, you got the subtle Dkny brand, you know. So it's not too much, it's not in your face. So yeah, it's a pretty good fit. The arms are a little short, as you can see. That's my only issue with it. It's not really a big deal. There's a lot of space in here. This is an oversized coat. Yeah, it's the fit. Here we have the next item from NAK. I'm not sure what this brand is. I've never seen it before. The print on the inside, the olive green on the outside. So once again, the sleeves are a little short as well. I'm not sure if that's the trend with the vintage jackets. I don't mind it. Once again, you could put a sweater underneath or a long sleeve t-shirt and you're good to go. This is very 90-ish, 80s style. Also a pretty good length. It's not too long, it's not too short. There's a jacket from Quattro. So the jacket was 19 bucks. Which is the Eddie Bauer Expedition snow pants. The vintage one, I guess. I'm not sure if they make these anymore. That's why I call it vintage, but y'all can let me know down below. These are hella comfortable. They're pretty big. I wanted to tailor them. I'm not sure if I should leave them like this, because this is the vibe. There's no pockets outside. The pocket is actually on the inside, back here. So yeah, that's your pocket. Maybe a design flow. Next item. Got these Dickies. We try them on. So I got them on right now. So obviously I'm gonna tailor these. I think they're made to be tailored. The way they come out of the factory, they always look a little goofy. Let me know what you guys think. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Also, add me on Clubhouse. See you guys in the next video.